going on, everybody? Happy Friday, Freedom Friday. Hope you're having a marvelous day today. Pandora, the postcard diva, here. All right, if you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, today I want to talk about, I'm talking to the folks that really want to use Faceless, right? Someone that may say, I don't really want to be on camera. I really don't know what to post, that type of thing. You're new to marketing, so you kind of want to not use your face, and you want to be transparent, but you just don't know what to do, right? You don't know what to do. You're like, I need some guidance, but I don't know what to post. That's the thing too. Do I need any special equipment? All those things. So you're new to affiliate marketing and you want to get out here and you want to start promoting the daily income method, because that's what we're going to talk about. Because what I like that it shares a way and strategies for you to use short form video content without you actually creating it. Okay. Now, if you haven't checked out my projects to see what I've got going on, make sure you go ahead to www.coffeeandcoins.info, peruse around, see what we got going on. But you can come here as well to coffeeandcoins.info to get started and check this thing out. It's a new program. I recently added an affiliate program because it has residual inside, right, where you can earn residual income month after month. And then it also has instant pay. Okay, where you can receive $200 commissions instantly, pretty much any way you would like. All right, this is affiliate marketing, so you've got to do the work. We can't make any income claims or any guarantees, guys. It takes work and effort on your part, okay, to get the results. Okay, we don't have any pass-ups, one-ups, spillovers, downlines, any of that. So it all depends on your efforts. You got to put the work in. All right, so with that being said, so that's what I kind of want to focus on. So this simple daily income method, you could earn income without ever being on camera. That's part of the training that they provide here. And I know that was a big thing when I first got started. Number one, I was in corporate America. Okay, so I didn't really want to be all over the place as well. All right, initially. And I was kind of like, I don't want to do a video. I was kind of like you, like, ooh, I don't really want to do a video type of thing. So with this program, they have done for you templates. That's all you got to do is copy and paste, post. Okay. So that's a part of the training that they have here. Really simple, newbie friendly, beginner friendly, non-techy. All right. So that's what I kind of want to hone in on. Right, so you don't need a following, you don't need to show your face, and you don't need to be a tech wizard to get started here. All right, so what they provide you is every day you can follow a simple process, and you can create short, faceless videos using free tools, post them on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, okay? And each one points people toward this program. You're going to point them to you're going to direct them to go to your capture page. That's already done for you as well. So you don't have to create a capture page. All that is done for you. All right. And we have a simple video to show you how to connect the capture page that's already done for you to your Home Business Academy affiliate link. Okay. So you actually don't need to do any filming, no fancy editing, just consistent daily method. Okay. And that's the biggest part, being consistent. I know, been there, done that, even sometimes now, okay? I don't feel like, I don't feel like doing that today, okay? But that's when you have to push through, get that extra, all right? Because it will pay off in the long run, the consistency, all right? All right, so we want to make this system very simple and user-friendly, and that's what they've done, okay? So what makes it work is having a system behind you that handles all the heavy lifting, the hard parts like the selling and telling. That's the other thing. So if we come over here, when folks opt into your page, there's this page right here that's going to do all the selling and telling. This video right here, right? Short little 12-minute video. And what it doesn't do is if there's still questions, there's information at the bottom of this. This is the video sales page. And then look, it's showing sales that's being made while your folks are on this page. So people can see, oh, there's real people that's actually earning with this program. You have a system that's doing all the selling and telling for you. You can now focus on showing up and actually doing income producing activities. So for a lot of people, that commitment to showing up daily is the one thing that finally moves the needle after years of spinning their wheels. That is key, I can tell you. Because I notice when I'm more consistent, the results come in. Okay? When we slack off, that's when things look like, even though there's times, don't misconstrue. There's times where you go all in, and then you see nothing. That's when you stick and stay. But all of a sudden, out of nowhere, boom. You have those spurts. But you have those spurts where it goes up and down. But you got to stay in there. You got to hang in there. Just keep going, even when you see no results. All right? Because I know when I first got started and finally figured things out, still didn't see any results. Right? But if you just keep going and keep doing the work, all right, long term, it'll pay off. So you don't need credentials or big audience to start earning here. You just need a daily method that you can stick to and systems that does the heavy lifting, which is what we're going to show you. If you want to see this, again, you make sure you go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right, so let's look here because I want to show you something here. This right here, guys. Again, I'm talking to my folks that don't want to create any content. Like right now, I'm doing my own content, right? I'm speaking, I'm talking, I'm sharing, right? But if you said, well, hey, I don't even want to be on camera. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to post. Well, they've got in here 100,000 reels, fully editable, 52 unique viral niches, okay? That you can use. Right here it says you can resell these too. That's the other thing. You resell these as is. You can resell, you get the resale rights, but you can't give this away. All right? But you can market it, master it, and monetize it. So anyway, they've got all the reels in here for you. And they've got tons of niches. Because you may say, well, I want to join this so that I can get access to this because I'm in whatever niche you're in. Health and wellness, whatever it may be. They've got tons of niches in here. Okay, so all you're going to have to do is click this link, pick the niche. Like right here, let's see, where is one that I saw? Like if you want to do those luxury types, or say you into cars, here's car videos. I'm trying to show you some different ones. Animal clips, animation. But they've got the niches in here too. So let's see here. I saw like health and wellness is in here. All right, look, gym reels, fitness. All right, again, I said car reels, money clips. I mean, just tons and tons. Motivation, all type, gaming. A lot of people are into gaming. All of that is in here. So it's tons of niches, but at any rate, the point of the matter is they're done for you, right? So when you log in here, look, 100,000 faceless reels ready to post content. So this is perfect, again, for my beginner that don't want to create anything, want to go faceless and just post. Don't need any special equipment. I don't even have any special equipment. And I've been doing this a long time, right? But right here, ready to go, ready to roll. And then what you want to do, though, before you just start going in here downloading, you want to come over here first to your daily income method step-by-step training. Because over here is where they're going to show you how to do this, how to post these the right way, step-by-step, using some tools and strategies, okay? So you have your library of training right here, A to Z marketing system. The training is right here, all right? So you want to follow this first, okay? What else is also great about this, guys, it's a one-time payment, okay? This is all digital, so you don't have to worry about stocking, shipping, doing any of that stuff. One-time payment. You don't have any pass-ups, any one-ups. You earn 100% commissions. All right. So this system is one-time $297. How about that? Very, very affordable. Okay, for the masses, especially with the economy right now. So $297, guys. All right. 200 goes to the person that referred you. 97 will go to the company. All right, to keep everything rolling. And then they have weekly training. They have a weekly training every Monday also. So you can come and get your questions answered, as well as they're going to show you how, with the owner, okay? The owner's going to be on here as well. And you'll be able to ask any questions that you may have. But they're going to show you how everything works. They're going to walk you through the back office, strategies, the whole nine. This is every Monday at 1 p.m. All right. And so, again, this page does a selling and telling. So this is not a program where you need to be on the phone, calling people up, doing three-way calls, trying to explain this program. What you need to do is just send people to your capture page. Do the marketing, right? The income producing activities, which it shows you in here, right? Go through your training so that you can learn how to drive people to your capture page. Once you do that, you're done, right? Because the system is going to do the selling and telling. All right. And this is what one of the pages look like. Let me show you one that I'm using. This is the capture page I'm using right here, the opt-in page. Put in your best email, then it's going to take you to this sales page right here. And if you notice, if you come down, the sales page is going to have my name everywhere, which it will have your name, right? When folks go to your page, that way you know you join the person you want to join. See right here, it says referred by. Keep going. It's in a couple places. That's one. Look, that's number 2. It's also up here. Let's see, where did I see it? That may have been right here. Right here. Right? See? Right here. It says that's why you click the link. My partner, right? That's one spot. I like that, right? Number 2. Okay, and then there's also, I believe, a third. And see, it's got all these testimonial videos on here too. That's why I said it does the selling and telling. You don't need to try to explain this to people. And then it's showing you in real time, guys. That's the other thing. Well, is this really working for other people? It shows how much commissions has been paid out. And then right here, while you on this page, or your leads are on this page, it's showing people that sales are coming in right now while I'm talking to you, right? Okay. So anyway, it's coded to you. Keep going, and I'm going to show you another place. It'll have your name on there as well, right? Let's keep going. Right here, here's your picture and your name. So people will know who they signed up with, okay? Pretty cool, and I like this part right here. Check this out. Is that cool? So when you go to check out, there's your name again, and then right here, again, 2 steps. Pay $200 and then pay $97. That's it, one time. No more payments. Okay, you own the system. You're ready to rock and roll. Now, when you get in here, the first thing you want to do, though, let me go back. Hang on. You're going to receive your welcome email. Go ahead and log in, and you want to set up your system. See, right here says the system setup. Mac Mills is going to walk you through it. He's the owner that created the program. He's going to walk you through how to set everything up. You're going to set up your payment methods. Well, how do you get paid with this system? Well, here's your options. Stripe, PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, Apple Cash, Chime, Wise, or Crypto, or anything that you don't see here, is you can click Other, okay? So he walks you through it. So step by step, very newbie friendly, okay? And then he's going to walk you through your first income stream. Well, what is the first income stream in here? It's Home Business Academy Funnel Builder. This will allow you to earn residual commissions month after month after month, as long as people keep their marketing system, their capture page. And you're going to want to keep this because this is where you're going to collect your leads. So it's only $25 a month. You earn $20. Okay, so he's going to show you or tell you how to plug in your ID from the Home Business Academy, which is the funnel builder. That's the product that you're actually purchasing. Okay, so you want to do that. That's income stream number 1, guys. Okay, so as you can see, I've completed that. And then of course, you're going to follow step 2 right here. Connect your capture page to the daily income method. Okay, and that's this step right here, step 2. One of the co-founders of the Home Business Academy, Mike, is going to walk you through how to connect it. So everything is press play step, very easy, friendly steps. Okay, very friendly. All right, so you're going to do that. And then from there, you're going to go over here and go to training. But I'm going to show you where your links are first. Well, where's my links? Right here. Click affiliate links. And all your links are in here. And there's different pages that you can actually promote over here. Sales pages. Now these, you don't want to be sending these out. You only want to send out your capture page. The one I showed you, like this. Where is it? Hold on. You only want to send this page when you're promoting to cold traffic. Okay? These pages are for, let's say you already have a list of people that you've been, that's on your list. You got their email. You can send them these pages. Okay? But you want to always use your opt-in page when you're promoting. Okay? To strangers. Alright, guys? So that's where your links are, and there are different pages in here, tons of pages. Okay, and then you want to go to your training right here, access products, which is where I was earlier, showing you where you need to start. Daily income method right here. All right, and then you can learn from here how to set up and apply these faceless reels so you can start posting. All right, very simple. That's it. That's all. I like this story right here real quick. This lady right here is in South Africa, and she was tired of telling her son no. Okay. This is one of the sales pages too. She says every time he asks for something, she's saying maybe next time, because she didn't have the money. But she discovered this program, and she was able to earn, I think within the first 14 days or something, over $4,000. Again, results aren't typical. That's just her story. But she's from South Africa, and that's a sales page that's in here too. But anyway, guys, that's it. That's all. Very newbie friendly. If you're not interested in, hey, I don't want to be on video, I don't want to be on camera, I need some stuff I can post, they've got all that inside of here, done for you. Just copy and paste. All right, that's it. I want you to go check this thing out. Just go to this page here, put your best email in there, and it'll take you to this page, which is going to have all the breakdown of what this entails. All right, very simple, newbie friendly. Again, this sales page is going to do all the selling and telling. It really is. I mean, either they're in or they're out. All right, guys. All right, I would love to have you as a part of the tribe. Go check it out. Go here, coffeeandcoins.info. Click this green button. It'll take you over to my capture page. All right, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you, guys. On your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me, and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.